This is a library that is used by the amazing channel 3 Blue 1 Brown to create those amazing animations. So in order to install manim, we need to use the Microsoft PowerShell as the admin and install Chocolatey or Scoop. In my case, I'll be using Chocolatey, and here is how I did it. I pasted the command into the PowerShell as it said, and since it said restricted, I pasted the following command, basically following the instructions provided in the documentation. Then I used the command to install manim, and during that I ran into problems with Microsoft Visual C, which took a minute of research to solve. Basically, I needed to uninstall the previous versions, locate and delete them from the registry, restart my PC a bunch of times, and reinstall the Microsoft Visual stuff for both x86 and x64 except ARM64, and reran the manim installation command, and it was installed. After that, I went to Visual Studio Code and installed the Python, Pylance and manim side view extensions, which helps to view the animation in real time.